Hi! In front of me is TECNO Camon 18 Premiere, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. Firstly, you need to open Devices settings. In them, scroll all the way down to Access System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Following that, tap on Text Correction, scroll down and select this switcher next to Autocorrection. This way you will switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!